Hi and welcome to Watch and Apply YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to cast your phone screen to your PC. Let's start. To cast your mobile screen to your PC, you need to have 3 points. Point number 1, an access point, and you need to connect your phone and your PC to the same access point. Point number 2, you need to have an optional feature installed on your PC called wireless display. I will go to Start, then Setting, then press on System. Here in projecting to this PC, I need to check if I have a Windows feature called wireless display is installed or no, and here in my case it's not installed. And in case you don't have wireless display feature installed, in the connect option there will be a missing part here. Now let's add the wireless display feature. Click here and add a feature. This one, check it and install. After you finish, go back and go to projecting to this PC. You will find this option is enabled. Point number 3, you need to get the computer name, and you will find it in System, Projecting to this PC, this one, PC name, and you can change it from here. After you finish, here is some configurations that you can change. I will keep like this, but I will change the pin code and I will make it first time. Press here, launch the Connect app to project to this PC. And here on my phone, I will search for Screencast. Click on it. This one, laptop, HP laptop. This one, and I will enter the pin code. Accept. And here is my screen. You can go back. You can go to Play Store. You can flip the mobile. It will flip also on the PC. To exit, I will press on Screencast. And it will close automatically on the PC. Now to connect easily without going to Setting and System, you need to start your PC. So when you press on Connect, the option projected to the PC will be in this part. Let's start the PC and check again. Here I can, after starting my PC, I will go to Notification panel, then Connect, and there is the projected to the PC option. Or you can press Windows K and you will find it here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.